Hello, welcome back sa ating channel mga Itechiwaria. In today's video, talaga naman, tatlong online loans ang ating pagjujusapan. Actually, mga buy now, pay later sila na underrated. Hindi masyadong pinapansin ng publiko. Hindi ko lang alam kung nakapag-try na kayo dito. Pero, they are buy now, pay later apps na talaga naman underrated, hindi nga masyadong ginujutangan. I'm not sure kung bakit. Pero natry ko na itong mga ito. May account na ako sa mga ito before, pero we will check at himay-himayin natin ang kanilang products and services, mga Mima. And of course, before tayo mag-proceed, huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel, click the notification bell, and pa-subscribe na kasi magbibigay tayo ng giveaway. Yay! Magpapa-giveaway na ulit Akira. O, diba? Antaray, kaya tumutok kayo mula simula hanggang huli kasi doon kukunin ang questions. O, diba? Antaray, may ganyan. And of course, huwag nyo rin kakalimutan mag-follow sa aking TikTok account at aking Facebook kasi doon tayo maaura ng bonggang-bongga at doon ko din i-announce ang ating question for today's video. O diba, kung hindi ka makapag-follow at nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, naku po, mag-subscribe ka na kasi kung hindi ka nakapag-subscribe at nakapag-follow sa aking TikTok and Facebook account, hindi ka magiging eligible sa ating pag-giveaway, mga Mima. Hey! May humahabo. May gustong sumali sa giveaway? Sino ito? Ay!
Oh, no.
Nakakalaw kasi Madam Jutangera pala ite. Anyways, itong tatlong top 3 talaga na underrated na online loans app or buy now pay later apps na aking i-discuss at ating himay-himayin ay may SEC registration. Okay, nakita ko na rin meron din silang CIC, accredited din sila ng CIC as submitting entity, mga Mima. Kaya kayo, kung kayo ay jujutang at walang balak bayaran, naku po, magdalawang isip na kayo, wag kayong jujutang kapag wala kayong pambayan. Nakakaloka. And of course, before tayo jumutang-jutang, always alalahanin ang ating pangangailangan. And of course, know the terms and conditions, interest, fees, charges, may mga hidden charges ba yan? Lahat alamin nyo bago kayo jumutang-jutang sa isang pautangan or kahit sa mga legit pa yan na utangan, diba? Parte na yan ng pagiging responsable jutangera. Okay, ito na nga. So, simulan na natin, Team Marco. Sino ba sila yung mga tinutukoy mo? Okay, nangunguna si Plentina. Yes, si Plentina. Kung familiar na kayo kay Plentina, nakakaloka rin, diba? Alam nyo na, pero alam nyo, madalang ko siyang marinig sa mga jutangeras na naharas daw sila. So, wala akong naririnig mga ganong experiences, negative feedback, or any complaints from, borrowers ng Plentina. I'm not sure kung ako lang ang hindi nakakaalam. Pa-comment below naman kung yung mga nakajutang na dyan nakaranas ng mga panggigipit or unfair debt collection practices ng Plentina. Parang wala akong naririnig. And if you can check, CIC submitting entity siya. Check nyo na lang sa CIC. As of today, September 17, nandun siya as submitting entity. So, si Plentina, ay under siya ni Plentina Lending Inc. At meron siyang 4.2 rating at reviews sa Play Store. Mga Mima, i-check nyo yan. Tapos ngayon, i-check natin, open natin yung app. Charan! Ayan, so alam ko one of the buy now pay later itong si Plentina na talaga namang underrated, hindi masyadong sikat. Ganun. So ganito siya, safe and easy payments, pay through GCash, GrabPay, or over the counter at any 7-Eleven convenience store. Okay, choose from a large number of online and offline retailers providing a broad spectrum of options for users. And you can get deals from your trusted stores now. Enjoy flat fees and no monthly interest rate. Okay, you can build your national credit score. So I think meron akong account. Try ko mag-login. So kung meron ka ng account, all you have to do is to log in using your email address at saka of course yung password mo. Okay, so eto na siya. So nakapag-login ako. Mark Lester, your account security is important to us. May ganyan siyang pop-up message. Use only one Plentini account on your mobile device. Never share your email. So may mga ganyan sa reminders. I understand lang. Okay, so eto na siya. So hindi pa nga talaga ako nakapag-try gamitin ng aking Plentina. Okay, pero eto yung mga partners nila So ang dami, madami din. Pero parang wala akong masyadong kilala. Okay, so unlock buy now, pay later by completing your onboarding. Hindi ko pa pala kompleto. Okay, so ganyan siya. So make sure that your name here is same with your valid ID. So parang i-verify ko lang kasi syempre may account na ako. So all I have to do is to confirm kung tama yung mga information na nandito, diba? So ini-next ko lang yan. Okay, kailangan ko din siyang fill upan to, no? Okay, so na-fill upan ko yung aking basic information. Tapos gusto rin nilang, syempre alamin kung employed ka. So yes ko yan. Are you a regular full-time? Yes. Salary frequency, syempre twice a month, diba? Quincenas katapusan tayo. Okay, so next lang, no paperwork here, sabi niya ganun. Plentina performs analysis with your information to provide you exciting loan offers. Okay, but in order to build your credit score and give you a better user experience, we need your permission to grant us access to the following. Okay, kailangan nila device info and apps, tapos yung location. So we will keep your data secure naman daw and we won't use your data without your permission. Tapos click ko lang yung grant access. Say, only this time ko lang siya. Kasi ngayon pa lang naman ako mag-unlock ng aking credit limit. Okay, take the Plentina Money Challenge. Are you smart with money? May ganon, may pa-survey sila. Okay, may pa-survey sila. Imagine you took out a loan for 500. The interest is 10% per month. There are no additional fees. If you want to repay the loan in full, principal and interest after 1 month, how much will you need to pay? So, 500 pesos yung principal. So, ang interest niya is 10%. Magkano? So, parang 600? 600, diba? When shopping for shampoo, which of the following deals are the best value per peso? Okay. Actually, all are the same value, diba? Ini-next ko. If you have 100 peso in a savings account which earns 3% interest per year, after 4 years, how much would you have? 3%. Ang hina ko sa sabihin ko na more than 103 pesos. O, diba? Bahala na. Imagine that the interest rate on your savings account was 1% per year and inflation was 2% per year. After 1 year, would your ability to buy something with the money in this account be? Ano ba yan? Daming alam ni Plentina. Would your ability to... Nakakaloka. Sige na nga, bahala na. If you invest in stocks and they appreciate 10% per year, how many years will it take for your investment to double? Okay, ayoko na mag-isip kasi ang hina sa math. Nakakaloka, ang daming alam ni Plentina, may pa-question and answer pa siya. So, triple na lang. Okay, if you invest in stock and they appreciate 10% per year, how many years will it take for your investment to double? Yun na nga. If you borrowed 1,000 and your loan is due in full on June 1, a 5% late fee is charged the day after your due date and every 30 days after. If you repaid the loan in full on August 15, how much in late fees will you have to pay? Kaloka naman. So it's 5%. Ang daming alam. Siyempre, if you repaid the loan in full on August 15, how much in late fees will you have to pay? 50 pesos. Tama ba? Dito kayo magiging basehan. Well done. Putek. You've successfully completed the quiz. You've gotten 1 out of 6 questions correct. Continue. Okay, almost there, sabi niya. Kailangan ng government ID. Write your potential on a piece of paper. Please take a clear photo of yourself. Ano daw? Ang daming alam. Write the date today. Ha? Unlock your potential. Hashtag unlock your potential. May ganun pa siya. Ayoko magsulat-sulat. Ang daming ka-artehan. Okay na to. Arte-arte. Ito, kailangan pa yun ng ID. Nakakalo. Hindi ko na tinuloy. Wala yung ID ko dito. Tatay na naman ako. Yun lang kasi ang daming mga tinatanong tong si Plentina. So anyways, ganyan siya. So parang ano lang siya. Bibigyan ka ng credit limit tapos gagastusin mo siya. Pambili ng kung anik-anik dito sa mga partner merchants nilang ganito. So, andito siya. Check nyo mabuti yan. Okay, ang pumapangalawa, I see, Tendo Pay. Ayun, naging Tendo by Tonic na siya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. May partnership na ba sila ni Tonic Bank? Pa-comment naman sa mga nakakaala. Okay, anyways, itong si Tendo Pay, submitting entity din siya ng CIC. Check nyo na lang doon sa website ng CIC. Okay, meron na rin akong account sa kanila. So again, it's a buy now pay later app. You can shop on installments with over 500 plus merchants. Yung terms niya, monthly interest rates ranging from 0.0% to 4% monthly. The repayment terms is ranging from 2 months to 18 months. No hidden fees such as origination, service, or bank fees. Tapos ang pinaka-maximum na APR niya is 48%. So, i-check natin. Ako magla-login na lang ako kasi meron naman na akong account with Tendo Pay. Okay, i-allow ko lang yan. So, ganyan siya. Okay, sa Tendo Pay, marami silang partner merchants na pwede nyo ding i-check, di ba? Once approved na kayo, may credit limit na kayo. Kasi basically, bibigyan naman na kayo ng credit limit, di ba? Kapag na-approve na kayo. So, with their partner merchants, you can buy like iPhone, mga cellphone, mga ganyan. Tapos may mga 0% interest promo pa sila sa mga merchants. So, i-check nyo mabuti yung website. Pwede kayong pumunta sa website nila para ma-check kung saan kayo po pwedeng mag-shopping at mag-buy now, pay later na yan. At saka mag-sign up muna kayo sa app nila para makapag-apply. And then, once you sign up, log in, and then you can check also their partner merchants in the app na. At doon na rin kayo mag-apply. Pwede na yon. So, eto, kung gusto mo kumuha ng mga kalaptapan, cellphone, ganyan. So, puntahan mo lang yung partner merchant nila dyan, tapos mag-apply ka. Or eto, parang sa Lazada din, diba? Meron ding 7-Eleven, Samsung, okay, Vivo, Tobii Sport. Hala, ang dami din pala, no? Kasi nga, partner na yata siya ni Tonic Bank. Diba? Na-late na ako sa balita. Partner na pala siya ni Tonic Bank. O may mga ganun, mga pabango. Kung gusto nyo mag-shopping ng mga kasapatusan, o diba? I-check nyo yung kanilang, ay, ang dami din pala silang partner merchants. Kung gadgets and appliances naman ang hanap mo, ay, ang bongga. Partner nila ang Western Appliances. Tapos Gizmo Republic, o diba? Warehouse din, Samsung. May food and groceries and medicines din. Okay. So, pwedeng utangin lahat. 7-Eleven, o diba? Easy-Tan online store. Hala. Ang dami nga din silang partner merchants. Okay, pag fitness and health, naku po, ang dami. Home furniture, meron din. Nakakaloka. Siyempre, check natin ang fees and charges niya. So, what are the fees associated using Tendo daw? So, there are no upfront fees for using Tendo. You will be charged an interest rate which will be included in your monthly installment. Okay, so interest yung charge. So, ito siya. So, paano ako makakapag-apply dyan, Team Marco? So, sabi ang requirements kasi nila to open a Tendo account, you need to be an employee of our partner company. So, dapat employee ka, no? Be at least 18 years old and possess one of accepted government IDs. Have a valid email address. Have your company email address. Okay. So, kailangan employed ka talaga, no? Ako naman, employed ako, so meron akong account kay Tendo Pay. Meron pa nga akong natitirang credit limit na hindi ko pa nagagamit. Any fees and charges ang kaakibat dito? So what are the payment terms and interest rates daw? So the payment terms or months will depend on the total transaction. Typically, the lowest is 3 months and the highest is 12 months. But as mentioned, it will depend on the amount of your purchase. Tapos ang interest rate depends on risk evaluation and varies per user. Tendo is committed to fair rules and clear pricing. You will see exact and fixed repayment amounts before completing a transaction. So kailangan nagbabase talaga sila sa credit score ninyo kasi nga dahil nga sa CIC accredited sila, syempre kung maganda ang credit score mo, mataas ang credit score mo, mababa ang ibibigay sa yung interest rate. Kung talagang lagapak naman napakababa ng credit score mo, syempre, mataas ang inyong interest rate. Kaya alagaan nyo ang inyong credit score. Be a responsible jutangera. At panghuli ay si Mukasa. Yes, meron na tayong video dati. Nagawa na natin ng video si Mukasa before. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood, panoorin nyo na lang yung Mukasa na video natin. So, Mukasa, Pay Later and Quick Loans. So, CIC accredited din siya. As you can see, napaka-legit din itong si Mukasa. And they offer 3,000 to 25,000 loan amount. O diba? Tapos ang loan term is 91 days to 180 days. Tapos may maximum APR siya na 30%. Wala siyang transaction fee. You will be charged 20 pesos flat service fee per transaction. Yun, may service fee nga lang siya na 20 pesos per transaction. So hindi lang pay later or buy now pay later ang ina-offer din ni Mukasa. They also offer quick cash loan. So ang advantage niya is very convenient kasi nga online siya sa app mismo. Tapos instant cash loan, simple loan process, easy approval, low interest and fees. At saka meron na rin akong account sa kanila actually. So pero hindi ako ma-approve. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So ito yung app nila. So your loan, so may 25,000 credit limit na offer sila. Tapos sa 12 installment maximum per year, pay off in 1 year. Tapos ang daily interest niya is 0.2%. That's minimum daw. No hidden fees. Tapos may pay later din sila. Ayan, so you can shop over hundreds of their merchants online and offline din. Kaloka, no? So i-check natin dito. Okay, so may mga ganyan permissions din sila na ina-ask sa inyo, no? So i-agree ko lang yan kasi for me, okay naman si Mukasa. Yun nga lang, te. Diba? Declined ako noon kasi ilang beses na ako apply sa kanila. Pero decline ako lagi. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit lagi akong decline. We can't offer you a quick loan right now. To ensure your data security, Mukasa cannot provide services on this device due to potential risk. Ewan ko. So, kailangan gamit ko yung isang phone ko. You can also get credit report na dito. Mismo sa app nila. Really? May bayad. 299 per month. Okay, anyways. That's too much for me. Okay, dito sa FAQ nila. So, how to apply for the Mukasa credit? You need to register your phone number and all you need to do is to, of course, provide the needed information in the app. After that, please open your line 24 to 48 hours kasi parang may magbe-verify daw from Mukasa. So, how to increase my Mukasa credit? Your credits may increase depending on the behavior of your transactions and repayments daw. The increase is system generated and it is based on our evaluation of your credit worthiness. As long as you have a good credit score, maintain a good credit history of timely transactions and repayment, your credit line will increase over time. So that's Mukasa. So if you need to know more about Mukasa, you can download their app, no, and try to apply. Tingnan ko ma-approve kayo or hindi. Balitaan nyo naman ako, pa-comment naman dito kung nakapag-try na kayo at saka kung existing jutangera na kayo ng Mukasa, mga mima. How is it Mukasa? Kasi ako lagi akong reject sa kanya. Promise, nakakaloka. Hindi ko na alam kung bakit. So talagang nagbe-base sila sa credit score kasi ang credit score ko mababa. Pero Bakit ganun yung mga bangko, ina-approve naman ako? Feeling ko kasi dito, ang mga bangko kasi are using TransUnion, 'di ba? Credit Bureau. And hindi medyo mataas ng konti yung credit score ko sa TransUnion unlike doon sa CIBI. I'm not sure kung ganun pero bakit ina-approve ako ng credit card? Anyway, kanya-kanyang trip yan. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok mga Mima. Abangan ninyo ang question ko for today's video para sa ating giveaway. And make sure you are subscribed and follow my TikTok and Facebook account as well. Maraming salamat. Announcement will be on our YouTube community. Magpo-post na lang ako doon and of course sa ating Facebook account. Doon ako magpo-post ng question para sa giveaway natin. Buyers!